Shrinkage is real, oh, shrinkage is real. So I have decided to regrow my hair, but this time I'm going to keep it very simple. You see all those plenty wishy products. Remember, highest what I go to use now, 1 or 2 products. I'm not going to kill myself with all those plenty products again. Argan oil for my scalp, on my hairline. Yep, I have to go get it braided now, so it will carry me for the next 2 to 3 weeks.
No, now we do that one.
No wahala. Actually, this one will carry me for at least 2 weeks or 3 weeks. I come back up. And I'm even going to plait now. I no get strength for attachment. Just got done getting my hair done.